These watercolor brushes by Kristine Art are perfect for realistic paintings. Stay with me until the end to know more about these brushes, how much it's cost, where to buy these brushes, and more. These are the brushes of Kristine Art. This is how they look like when they are dry. So this is size 7 round. There you go. It's a little stiff. And this is size 4. Okay, there you go. This is how it looks like when it's dry. These brushes are a little stiff, especially this big one. It bounces back. If you can see there, it bounces back. Pairing these to silver black velvet. This brush is a mix of squirrel and synthetic. These are very soft. It holds a lot of water. It bounces back, but it's not that much, unlike this one. Comparing with Kristine Neptune, it is a little more stiff and it's more pointy. And if I will compare this with Kristine Heritage, it has the same stiffness. This is a little bit more pointy than the Kristine Heritage. For realistic floral, it's easy to control the water using these brushes. So this is how it looks like when it's wet, and it's very pointy. It has a flat belly at the middle. This one, if I'm going to wet this brush, this is how it looks like when it's wet. It doesn't show any much difference than the size 4. So you can see these very point ends will help you to create beautiful paintings, because I do not want to switch to a smaller brush, and I would like to just have one brush to paint the details. And there you go, a flat belly. That's I always would like to have in every painting that I would like to do. As I paint the leaves of these apples, I used the tip of the brush to paint, and I didn't have to switch to a smaller brush. It's easy to control the water and the paint with these brushes. They are great for detailed paintings because they are from 50% natural and 50% synthetic fibers. If you want to try these brushes, you can purchase them at KristineArt.com. Check the link in the description box below. These brushes are in set. You can get the sizes 4 and 7 for only 25 euros or 27.10 US dollars. You have an option to choose either black or pink brush handles. It's a great deal than other known expensive brushes. I love these brushes and I use them a lot, and you can see I use them in my previous watercolor tutorials. You may also check them out at the end of this video. I hope you find this video helpful. Subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this.